Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a really easy Dollar Tree Halloween DIY. We're going to start with one of their three-piece signs. It's already got twine connecting it. And then I designed these great Halloween printables. They look like watercolors of different Halloween images to put on each one of the little wood signs. I did a skull. I did this really cute little jack-o'-lantern, and I also did a ghost. Now, since it's a link to so many files, I'll just go ahead and post a link to the YouTube video that this was from in the comments below this video so you can get the free printables yourself, so I don't have to post all of those links. That will be a little bit easier. It'll be in the description of the YouTube video, and you might find some more Halloween DIYs while you're there. So using Mod Podge, I just attach the little cutouts to the signs. My trick is I print everything out just on a regular printer, but I use cardstock. It makes it really easy to Mod Podge. You're not going to get the wrinkling. You can go over the top of it right away. You don't have to worry about it drying. And I go over the entire side, so everything has like that same matte finish that my Mod Podge has. I like it like this, but I thought I could use a little bit of framing. And so to do that, I'm going to use just some of these little beaded stickers they have from the Dollar Tree. I didn't really like the color though, but you can always paint them. So I just took some black acrylic. I went over all of them. They're connected by glue, so you can just peel them off in a strip like this. So it's really easy to work with them and attach them to the sign. I didn't have any trouble with mine sticking, but if you do, you might need to add a little bit of extra glue to yours. Mine were nice and gooey. And since they're black, I think that goes great with Halloween, and I like it with the wood signs, and it just kind of framed them out and gave them something a little bit extra. So the skull, the jack-o'-lantern, and the ghost, and I love those little watercolor images. They're kind of classic, but really cute, and nothing too crazy or scary for Halloween on this DIY. Just a few more of the stickers and this will be ready to go. I decided not to do a bow or anything at the top, but you totally could. That would be really cute too. And remember, check the YouTube link to find the link to the printables.